Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. And I wanted to quickly do a video on these noise canceling headphones because we're about to take on a trip here, and when you're on a plane for a large amount of time, you probably want to block out outside noise. So these are called active noise canceling headphones. And as you can see here where I have my finger on ANC, that's what it stands for, active noise canceling, and this one does have it. So if you are looking for something under $50 that's really effective and does the job, highly recommend the E7 Pro. When you check it out on the link, you will see there are many reviews, that just over 250 reviews that give it great reviews as users. So we haven't used it yet, but we will probably do a review on it later. I just wanted to do an unboxing on it, show you what's inside the box. You want to make sure you get the E7 Pro. That's the one that's going to have the better bass and some additional features from the reviews that we saw. So we just ordered it and got it. Nice little thank you card included in there. We can read that later, no biggie. And this is pretty cool. It comes with its own hard case, so if you put this inside your luggage, this is rigid, so it'll protect it in there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Wow, I like the way it folds in there. It's pretty cool. And these obviously feel like they're going to insulate the outside noise very well. So as far as that goes, the way the active noise canceling headphones work, and you can read up on this, is there's a microphone inside there that's detecting outside noise, and it'll adjust the sound of the music, so you don't have to have it blaring if you don't need it. So you want to make sure you get something that has at least active noise canceling technology. But they feel really professional. I mean, I've gone to Best Buy and other stores and held and even tried on the Beats by Dre headphones. Those are about $300. Also, the Bose, same thing. They feel heavy as far as the build. Not heavy that it's going to weigh a lot on your head, but as far as the quality, you can tell that it's not cheaply made. So we will go ahead and try it on soon on a trip, but you do have your volume up and down. You can, if you can hear that, so you can adjust the sound there. That's really cool. There's some other buttons here. You got your on and off switch. It did not include, oh yeah, it does include it. So it does include, if you can see that port, that connector down there, right here. If your battery ran out and you have a connector on your phone or tablet, you can just simply use this wire here, connect one end here, and then the other end will go into your device. So that's pretty cool that they included that. I thought they didn't, but it's here. It's in the packaging. They also included the charger. It's going back to the old Android type chargers back in the day. So all you need to do is have a brick that you would connect to the wall or USB, or if you're somewhere where you just have a USB like your car, you can just charge it that way, and then just put the other end into the headphones right here. So that's really cool, and I do appreciate the way that it kind of folds in there into the case. And then moving on to this side of the case, this is where all the stuff was inside, this little netting here. So it does have that to put it in there for easy storage, and when you fold it, this kind of falls into place right here. So that's really cool too. Someone really used their head when they came up with that. And then a couple cards that you can read up on later when you get it. Okay, so the guide is pretty thick. Most companies today don't even include something as extensive as this. they just want you to go into their website and download a PDF. They're trying to, I guess, save money. That's fair to say, or save trees, whatever you want to call it. But they included the guide in there, so if you're planning to go on a trip and you're bored and you want to read something while you're on the plane, I'll probably be doing this myself today. But anyway, I just thought I'd do an unboxing on these because they are under $50, and you can even get them a little bit cheaper if you buy them pre-owned. It's up to you, or what they call now renewed. So I will post a link down at the description. Feel free to check it out. So far, I'm very impressed with the build and the quality. And again, we're always talking about savings. When it comes to savings, if this is not to the same superior $300 quality as a Bose or a Beats by Dre, for under $50, I mean, it really feels, the quality really feels really good, and even the looks on it is it doesn't look cheap either. So for the price, again, as you have seen in our channel, we are into promoting saving money. So this is one way that you can look into active noise canceling headphones. There's a difference between just regular headphones and active noise canceling headphones, and some that are just noise canceling headphones. So the ones that are just noise canceling headphones, they're just going to have really good insulation here, but they won't adjust the sound automatically or actively like these do here. So I'm going to go ahead and give them 2 thumbs up. I'll go ahead and try them on my trip, and if I do have time in the future, I'll go ahead and post a user review on it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click the link in the description, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.